Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily show and hide text in WordPress posts with a toggle effect. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins, and in plugins you want to add a new plugin and just right here in search plugins show hide. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see here WordPress show hide. Let's install it and let's activate it. Now when we got it, you will have it here, WordPress show hide, and you're gonna see this message and this message here. So I will just click to posts. I will edit, I don't know, this post here, and I let's say that I want to have this message toggled to hide and show. So what I will do, I will copy this and now edit as HTML. Let's see if it works this way. And now I will go with this on the end. Mamma mia. Okay. Okay, it just bugged everything now. So I will copy this here, resolve. Okay, here. Update, let's preview how it looks like. Show, press release, and voila, here we got it. But I got this background image of a dog here. I need to delete it. Wait. Give me a second. Plugins. Okay, now you can see it here. Show, press release, and voila, here we got it first. Now if I would delete this one, and let's test it again. So again, I will copy it. Okay. And then I will take this show hide in the end. Okay. Update and preview. And voila, here we got it. And I can rename it more. Yep. Thank you. See ya and goodbye.